Hi everyone, welcome to this week's deco with me. This is going to be my first setup for the monthly view in the Happy Planner. This is a Happy Planner Classic, and I'm going to be setting up July 2018. I normally don't know what to do with the monthly pages, but since there's a lot of stuff going on for me in July, I thought I'd give it a try and decorate and use it to plan. This is out of my memory planner, so it can be a little bit more casual and I can have a little bit more fun with it. So I will be using the Squad Goals sticker book. This is a highly loved sticker book. It just came out a month or so ago, and I have been hoarding it and not wanting to use it, but since the first day of summer has officially passed and July is really hot, and the colors in this sticker book really match the palette of the monthly that I have with this Happy Planner, I thought this would be a perfect match. So because I am not wanting to use this on the weekly view, but on the monthly, I don't need the full boxes, and I have become obsessed with these hexagon shapes. And I just bought this punch and haven't been able to use it, so I am really excited about using it here so I can have some hexagons for the view. And I'm finding that it's a little bit difficult because I can't really tell where the sticker ends, and it's kind of hard to tell where to punch it, but I finally get one, and it's looking pretty good. And then when I go to cut out the shape for the other side, I can see this isn't going to work because I'm getting the lip of the sticker, plus I'm not really sure about the size. So the solution is to actually trim the sticker down so I'll have room on more than one side to cut out the shape. So I just go to town and cut out my hexagons. I can't get 2 hexagons out of the boxes, but I can get a different arrow type of shape, so I go ahead and punch those out too so I don't waste the stickers. And then I want to do one more thing, and that is to crop out this lounging squad girl so that she fits completely perfectly into one of the days, the 3rd, I think, no, the 5th, because I will be going on vacation. And I cut out this little template window so I could just really make sure that I have exactly what I want. And I'm trying just to figure out the framing and what part of her I can see and what part that I don't cut off. And once I have that marked out, I go ahead and trim them out with an X-Acto blade and a ruler. This is the easiest way to trim it out because of the other stickers on the other side. And I just got this We Are Memory Keepers little mini toolkit, and the ruler and the board are magnetic, which is brilliant. I've never had that before, and I just love using it. It makes it so much easier to trim. Now we can just make sure that it fits, and it looks like it fits perfectly, so that's going to look super cute. Now that I have these shapes, I'm just trying to figure out where is the best place to put them and how it will all work. And I'm not going to stick them down yet because I'm still trying to work it out and see how it all balances out with the color and the placement of the other elements. And that pink hexagon shape didn't come from the sticker book. That's just a piece of paper that I have that's like a watermelon print. I just thought it was really cute and I wanted to pull in the pink, so I went ahead and punched out that as well. So now that I have some anchor elements set up, I'm going to go ahead and put in some other things, and one of them is this weekend banner. I wanted to mark this specifically because I'm going to be getting together with my girlfriends and we're going to have a great time seeing each other. And I'll also go ahead and peel down the sticker. There's just a little bit missing, so I had to go ahead and add that too because I couldn't stand that it was not complete. And then I wanted to take out the rest of the sticker and this umbrella and see if I could extend it up above the 2018. But it's too big, so I thought, I'll just trim the umbrella down a little bit too and see how that works. So it's like a strange little hat, but it's fine. It's the spirit of the umbrella, even though it's not the full shape of it. And I'm going to extend the tube up so that it looks like there's some connection. So then I'm going over here to the left-hand side and figuring out how the hexagons will all fit. And I'm going to put those down as well. And I have to glue down that extra pink shape that I cut out. And then I'm going back into the sticker book and trying to figure out what big anchor sticker I want on the left hand side, because I'm not really going to be using that whole sidebar for notes. And I decided to pick this sweet little girl with the glasses. Just want to trim her a little bit so that she doesn't extend too far down into the hexagons. Just spent a little bit of time trying to figure out what to do with these arrow shapes and where to put them, and I think trimming one side of them to be flush will work. And then I decide putting them down here with the boxes that don't have dates would be a good fit, so it can be background texture for the little girl with the ice cream cart. So now that I have the anchor points down, I can go ahead and fill in date information. And these 2 Saturdays are the weekends that my daughter and I are going to go garage sale shopping. We love doing that and finding bargains and just having a good time spending time with each other. So I'm going to go ahead and mark those out. And I want to be sure and mark the 3rd because it's our wedding anniversary, and we've been married so long that there have been years that we've kind of forgotten it until it was like right on us. So I want to be sure to plan ahead for this. And of course I want to put fireworks down on the 4th, and I'm going to use stickers out of this Happy Memory Keeping Holidays sticker pack that I just bought today on sale. So to justify it, there are these beautiful gold foil fireworks that fit perfectly into that box. So it's a good thing I bought it, right? So we have a family birthday on the 30th. I'm going to go ahead and commemorate that with a sticker. I pulled all of the birthday stickers and all of the coffee stickers and all of the sort of commonly themed stickers into this ring, so I don't have to remember exactly which sticker book has stickers that I like, that I use a lot. And that's worked out really well. So I'm going to go ahead and find a birthday sticker to put down underneath that too, so that it works with the balloon. Then I'm looking for this phone sticker from this pack that I found today of sticker flakes just randomly in a vintage store. These were so cute, and it was perfect. I have a regular phone call with a girlfriend on the 3rd Sunday of every month, and if you're like me and it's kind of hard to keep up with friends and social media isn't giving you enough of that connection, I suggest, and this is what we've done, is set up a monthly call. Just like old school phone call for like 30 minutes, can sometimes run to an hour. But we love it. We really feel reconnected, so that's something I look forward to every month. And to help my organization a little bit more, I'm going to go ahead and write in some of the events. On this Saturday, I have the garage sale shopping with my daughter, and then I have another get-together with another girlfriend in town, and we always like to shop together. So I love the Frixion pens because if I feel like I'm not writing things down neatly enough, I can erase them. And I like writing things down because now I can see that's kind of crowded and I might have to move some things around to accommodate it. And writing it down helps me structure it better than when I just see these on my Google Calendar. Somehow it just doesn't have the same impact for me. And I also need to record that we are having visitors that weekend, so it is going to be really busy, and I'm using this beautiful washi from Heidi Swapp. And then now that I'm using the washi, I'm thinking, can I add anything up here so I can use one of those hexagons? It's just such a cute shape, but it's such a light color that it needs something to help anchor it. So I'm just fussing with that and seeing how that'll work. I decided to put it at the top and trim down the edge so that it bleeds off of the page, and then I add that extra piece down to the bottom left as well. And I have another 3rd arrow shape that I want to see if I can put down just to add another little element of color, and I go ahead and decide to put it between these 2 dates here. There's no significance, I just like the way it looks, so I go ahead and stick that in. And that is July's Plan With Me. I hope you enjoyed watching my process, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these types of videos. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe, please do. I'd love to see you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.